Good day, class. My name is Mark Spindler, instructor for the Key Workplace Essential Skills Training Program, and today I will give a simple explanation of how warehousing works. So let's get started. First, you have receiving. You order products in from a supplier. You order products from China, from India, and then those products come to your warehouse in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Next, you take those products that you have received and you put them in warehouse locations inside of your warehouse and you store them for later use. After that, a customer or a retailer will send you an order of items that they want, and then an employee from inside of your warehouse will go and pick that product. Next, once that product has been picked and brought to the shipping area inside of your warehouse, someone will pack those products and get them ready for shipping. And then finally, all of those products will be taped up, they will be weighed, and then a shipping label will be put onto them, and then they will be put onto a truck and sent to your retail store or sent to your customer. Now, I want to show you what this looks like inside of the warehouse management system and what this will look like inside of your warehouse. So here I have made a warehouse inside of my house, and here we have three sections: the receiving section, then we have the inventory section with all of the warehouse locations, and then we have the last section where products go before they are shipped, the shipping section. So let's say the first thing that happens is that you want to stock up on water bottles inside of your warehouse. So you would issue a purchase order for that item, and you would type all of that information in. Once it comes into your warehouse and you verify that the numbers are correct, you would consider it as received. So here we can see that it says we have a total of 5 water bottles received, right? Here are the products. I've checked them all there. I have 5. It's good. The next stage is item put away. So I would determine, where do I have space? It looks like down here in A01, it's empty. So I would put all of those water bottles there into that warehouse location, and then on the warehouse management system I would adjust the location. So now those 5 items, as you can see, have moved into location A01. The next thing that would happen is a retailer would order products, and they'd say, we need 5 water bottles. So then a warehouse employee would go to that location and grab those and take those and pick them. They would pick them and they would bring it to the shipping station. So it would be moved to shipping. So let's say I go and I take 5, I bring them to shipping. Then someone in the shipping station would pack all of those into a box before it would be weighed and shipped. So now all of these items are now inside of shipping, and then once they'll be here, and then once we click on the warehouse management system, once we click that it has been shipped, it will still be in my store, but it'll be technically in the customer's hands. And so that's the last stage. The last stage is for it to be shipped. So we click on that. We see in the inventory we have 5 in the shipping location. Once I click shipped, it's gone. It's no longer in our warehouse, and it is now in the customer's hands. So there you go. That is a simple explanation of how warehousing works. If you are interested in any of our employment programs at Solomon College in Edmonton, Alberta, you can give us a call at 780-431-1515, or you can email us at info@solomoncollege.ca. And you can join one of our amazing programs. We have the Food Service Supervisor Preparation Program. We have Connections to Employment. And of course, the Key Workplace Essential Skills Training Program that helps you get work in the warehouse sector. Thank you so much and have a good day.